Hello everyone, welcome to my space. Well, winter is hitting hard, and on the channel we've already made several options for very affordable stoves made with recycled cans and also very efficient. There are 3 videos that were incredibly well received. Today I wanted to give you a quick summary. We're going to look at the basic assembly of each of the models, and at the end I'll give you my technical verdict about the advantages, disadvantages, and which one is best for you, depending on what you have at home. Let's assemble them first. Let's go. In action, and now you saw them again, right? All right, now let's get to the important part. Which one is better and which one is best for you to build? Let's analyze them one by one. Model number 1 is the one that uses used cooking oil. This is without a doubt the queen of economy and autonomy. Just imagine that with only 100 milliliters of used or filtered oil, which is practically free, it stays lit for more than 3 hours. It's super safe because the oil doesn't catch fire if it tips over, and you can put it out right away by smothering it with a small can, like you saw in the video, right? And you can also refill it while it's hot. The downside is, well, it's the lowest in calories out of the 3 heaters. It gives off a nice steady warmth, but don't expect it to be like a forge. And pay attention to the technical trick. You have to be patient and leave the cotton wicks really short, almost flush. And yeah, well, if you go too far, the combustion fails and it'll produce smoke and soot. It's ideal to leave in the back, in the workshop, while you're working. It's a little heater that lasts a long time with a very low fuel budget. Let's go to number 2. The model is the pyrolytic stove. This is the technological option, let's say, and clean, right? Because it works by gasifying the biomass. It burns the light gases from the wood in the upper holes, achieving a much cleaner and more transparent flame. And a very, very good temperature, tremendous, which exceeds 500 degrees inside. It practically doesn't produce smoke or odor except at the beginning when you light it, and it can also be used as a stove. The downside is that it works in batches, right? You load it with wood shavings, sawdust, or dry pellets, small pieces of wood, whatever you find. You light it from the top, and you have to let it complete the whole cycle. You can't keep adding pieces of firewood from the top halfway through. Also, it requires the fuel to be really dry. If you have access to wood shavings from a wood shop, it's incredibly efficient because it burns really well and almost without smoke. And finally, let's go to the third option, the Quematútica stove. I presented it just a short time ago. I'd say it's the most dependable one, the true all-rounder, and also with a charitable purpose that, well, really touches my heart. You put it together with just 2 cans and a couple of cuts with an old knife, right? I mean, it's very simple to assemble. Its big advantage is that it accepts any kind of fuel. You can put in cardboard, wood from a vegetable crate, thin twigs from the yard, and unlike the pyrolytic one, you can keep feeding it continuously. You keep adding wood as it burns, and you can keep it lit for as long as you want. The draft it creates from below is excellent. And, well, the downside is that with that draft, it burns through whatever you put in very quickly, right? You have to feed it quite often, and, well, when burning such a variety of materials. It's for outdoor use only because of the initial smoke and the sparks it generates, right? It's the absolute winner for emergencies. To take camping or to give to someone who really needs it on the street to warm their hands or make themselves some soup. In conclusion, if you're looking for autonomy without having to keep an eye on it, go with the oil one, because that one lasts a long time and is economical. If you're looking for maximum heat and purity, let's say, in the flame, with wood shavings or whatever fuel you put in, go with the pyrolytic one. And if you need fire right now with whatever you find lying around, the Quematútica never fails. Well, but I'd also like you to give me your opinion about this, about the 3 models we saw. Which one fits best with what you have at home? And I'll read your comments here. If you like this summary, leave me a like, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who's really feeling the cold. If you're a big fan, you can join, and in that case, I'll add you to a WhatsApp group with the premium members. Thanks for watching. Until next time, goodbye, God willing.